BabyBus.
Woohoo! Ah! Huh? Oh no! Hey! No! The vending machine is broken! What are we gonna do? Whoa! Someone's coming! Oh no, it's Whiskers!
I need a battery for my toy. Where can I buy it? It's a vending machine. I'll have a battery.
He needs a battery. What am I going to do? I got it.
Wow! Oh, I got a battery!
I almost got caught. Oh no! Rudolph? Please don't come here! Don't come here!
There's a vending machine. I want to buy soda.
Oh no, there's no soda.
What's going on? Why does it take so long?
Oh, I have an idea. Hey. Oh, yeah! I am just too smart.
I want to buy something else.
He wants to buy another one? No matter what he buys, I'm going to find a way.
I want to get an apple. Someone had a bite of this apple. What's going on?
Oh no. I have an idea.
It's a new apple? Oh, yeah! The vending machine automatically changes its goods. Miu, come over here! Look at this magical vending machine!
Magical vending machine? Really? I want to try it.
Oh no, Miu's really smart. How am I not going to get caught?
I'll have lemon juice.
Lemon juice? Which one's lemon juice? Let me try this one.
No, this is not lemon juice. Wow, it really changes things.
You see? I told you.
No, not this one. Okay, then forget about lemon juice. I'll have milk.
Milk! I got it! Oh, please work this time.
Kiki, come out. I know it's you.
Miu Miu, I broke the vending machine.
You did? Look, it's not broken. It's just unplugged.
BabyBus vending machine.
Huh? It really is.
Let me try.
Ah!
Huh? Mr. Dow, are you alright?
Of course I'm okay. Look, I'm just doing yoga.
Wow, that's awesome.
Of course it is. It's a piece of cake.
Huh? Are you okay?
Of course I'm fine. It's just one of those incredible yoga postures.
Huh? Huh? Mr. Dow, what's that?
Huh?
That looks pretty cool.
That's my master's new invention. It's a robot dog assistant.
Huh? Wow, I want to have a look.
Huh? Oh, wait, Kiki. Oh, that's not good.
Mr. Dow! Mr. Dow! Come and see this!
What are you doing?
Look! It looks exactly like you!
That's silly.
This is so cool! Let's take a picture together!
Unidentified obstacle detected. Unidentified obstacle detected. Unidentified obstacle detected.
Mr. Dow! Did the robot dog throw you out too?
Well, actually, it's more than that. Since the robot dog came, my master only cares about him and doesn't need me anymore.
That's so bad! I'll take the robot dog out!
How?
Just trust me! Ha-ha! BabyBus!
Magic Chinese characters!
Ho-ho! Hee-ha!
Huh? A toy gun? Are you kidding me? What are you gonna do with that?
Follow me! He's over there!
We made it!
Oh! Huh?
Unidentified obstacle detected.
Oh, it hurts. Huh? Where's Mr. Dow?
I shouldn't have trusted you, little kid.
Huh? Mr. Dow, don't be upset. Let's fight him back.
No, forget it. I think I should just leave.
Huh? Mr. Dow! Mr. Dow! Look at this picture.
Oh? That's right. There's a switch on him. But how do we get close enough to him?
I have an idea. BabyBus!
Magic Chinese characters!
Ho ho! Hee-ha! He won't recognize us this time.
Let me go! Let me go! Help! Help!
Mr. Dell, are you okay?
We made it! Ha You'll know what it feels like to be thrown away. Security mode on.
Oh no! Run! Mr. Dell, go upstairs! Luckily, he can't climb up the stairs.
We're finally safe.
Now, have you seen the robot dog? Where is everybody? Huh?
Hello? Is my robot dog fixed now?
I'm so sorry. I'll need 2 more days. I'll send it to you once it's done.
Someone sent the robot dog to get fixed. My master still needs me. Yeah!
Woohoo! The mooncakes are ready!
Let me try one.
Hey! We'll eat them tomorrow. Somebody has to keep an eye on them tonight.
Rock, paper, scissors. The person who loses will stay here.
Yeah!
They can only play paper, so I just need to play scissors.
Hey, you lost!
You? How are you so quick? I wasn't ready.
I'm sleepy. I should go to bed now. You can't eat until tomorrow. Hey, wake up! Hank, where are the mooncakes?
Mooncakes? They're right. Where did they go?
Ate them all?
No, I just ate a little bit.
Huh. I know that you ate them all. You're a liar.
No, I didn't.
Huh? What is this? Huh? Huh? It's a mooncake! Oh, I can't reach it. Huh? I have an idea!
Ha-ha!
Huh? Nothing? Let me try again.
Huh?
Huh? It's not the mooncake. Huh? It must be at this time. Mr. Dow?
Yeah.
Mr. Dow, are you okay?
What are you up to?
Our mooncake. Why is it here?
Since when did my mooncake become yours? Well, take a look. I've made many mooncakes.
Then where are ours? No way! There must be a thief! There must be!
Who would want to honestly eat your mooncake instead of my mooncake? Where's my mooncake? It was right here.
There must be a mooncake thief! I know how to catch him!
Huh? This is too big.
This is too small. Mr. Dow, can you give me a bigger one?
No.
Fine. Oh. Once it moves, we'll loosen the rope. The cage will drop down and we will catch the thief. Mr. Dow, let's hide.
Stay focused.
Mr. Dow, look!
Oh?
Where's the thief? The mooncake is moving on its own.
Go get it now! Oh no!
Let me help you. It's too heavy.
Stop! It's so sticky.
I can go now, Mr. Dow. I'll go after it. Mr. Dow, watch out! Huh? It was you, little ant! Kiki! Look! The ants are moving the mooncake!
Oh, so it wasn't Hank who ate the mooncakes. It was the ants who took them.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hero of the Bamboo Forest will be starting soon. Please show your ticket at the entrance.
Yeah, I
I'm the leading actor who plays the hero. Whoa! My ticket!
Show your ticket, please. Ticket.
Hey, look! I'm the actor. Hoi ha! I'm the hero of the bamboo forest.
Then I am too.
Oh. Huh? Hi. Hi.
Ah, it's a family ticket. You may go in.
I'm one of their family.
Family? No. They're penguins. And you're a panda. Ticket.
What should I do? I really need to get in and be on the stage. Let me think. Aha! Rubber ball. Oh no, my ball! Yes!
Here's your ball. Take it.
I'll still find a way to get in. Huh? Door. Huh? I'm going in. Whoa! Calm down, calm down. Huh? This wall is really high. I have an idea. Bamboo trees.
You again? Want to get in without a ticket? No way!
Let me go! Let me go!
Get out!
Why don't you let me in? I'm one of the actors. Look!
Wow! You are the hero of the play!
Can I get in now?
Uh-huh. Actors don't need tickets. Hero, may I have your autograph?